Moving company in Atlantic County, New Jersey. Ample Moving New Jersey. Atlantic County, New Jersey is known for its beautiful coastal landscapes, vibrant communities, and bustling entertainment hubs like Atlantic City. Whether you're moving within Atlantic County or relocating to this scenic area, finding a dependable moving company is crucial for a smooth and stress-free experience. Ample Moving New Jersey, based in Jersey City, offers professional moving services designed to ensure your transition is seamless and efficient. Why choose Ample Moving New Jersey for your Atlantic County move? Expertise in coastal and inland moves. Ample Moving New Jersey has extensive experience in handling both coastal and inland moves within Atlantic County. From the bustling streets of Atlantic City to the quiet suburban neighborhoods, our team knows how to navigate the unique challenges of the area, ensuring a smooth and timely move. Comprehensive moving services. We offer a full range of moving services tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you require packing, loading, transportation, or unpacking, our team is equipped to handle every aspect of your move with care. We also specialize in transporting delicate and valuable items, ensuring they arrive safely at your new home. Customized moving plans. At Ample Moving New Jersey, we understand that every move is different. That's why we work closely with you to create a customized moving plan that suits your individual requirements. Whether you're moving a small apartment, a large family home, or an entire business, we have the expertise to make your move successful. Affordable and transparent pricing. Moving can be stressful, but the cost doesn't have to be. We offer competitive pricing with no hidden fees, providing you with a clear and transparent quote. You can trust that you're getting top quality service at a fair price. Professional and friendly movers. Our team of movers is not only skilled and efficient but also professional and courteous. We pride ourselves on delivering excellent customer service, making your moving experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Contact information ready to make your move to or within Atlantic County, New Jersey, stress-free. Contact Ample Moving New Jersey today to schedule your move. Visit our website at amplemoving.com or call us at 120172157777. Our office is conveniently located at 9 Linden Avenue, Jersey City, New Jersey, 07305. Conclusion: moving to or within Atlantic County, New Jersey, doesn't have to be overwhelming. With Ample Moving New Jersey, you can enjoy a seamless and stress-free moving experience. Our local expertise, comprehensive services, and commitment to customer satisfaction make us the ideal choice for your next move. Trust us to handle your belongings with care and professionalism, so you can focus on settling into your new home and enjoying everything Atlantic County has to offer.